Hello students, I am Sushma Salgaonkar, Assistant Professor in Botany, Parvatibai Chogle College of Arts and Science, Margao, Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, First Year, Subject Botany, Semester 1, Course Code BOC 101, Course Title Biodiversity 1, Microbes, Algae, Fungi and Bryophytes. Title of the unit Fungi, Module name Introduction, General Characteristics. Outline, Introduction to Fungi, Definition of Fungi, General Characteristic of Fungi. Learning outcomes. In this, students will able to define fungi, explains general characteristics of fungi. Introduction. The fungi is the plural of the word fungus, which is derived from the Latin word fungor, which means to flourish. Being eukaryotes, a typical fungal cell contain a true nucleus and many membrane-bound cell organelles. The kingdom fungi include an enormous variety of living organisms collectively referred to as eukaryota or true fungi. While scientists have identified about 1 lakh species of fungi, this is only a fraction of the 1.5 million species of fungus which is likely to be present on the surface of the earth. The branch of botany that deals with the fungi is known as mycology. If you break this word mycology, meaning mycus meaning mushroom and logos meaning study of. The scientist who is concerned with the fungi is called as mycologist. Let us study about the definition of fungi. According to Aloxopolis, fungi are nucleated, spore-bearing, achlorophyllous organism which is generally reproduced sexually and asexually and whose filamentous branch somatic structures are typically surrounded by cell wall which will contain cellulose or chitin or both. Second definition is, according to Aloxopolis and Mims in 1979, defined fungi as eukaryotic, spore-bearing, achlorophyllous organism that generally reproduce sexually and asexually and whose filamentous branch somatic structures are typically surrounded by cell wall and that cell wall containing chitin or cellulose or both these substances together with many other complex organic molecules. These are the different images of the fungi. As you can see. Now we'll move on general characteristics of fungi. First one is habitat. Fungi are found in all types of environment where organic materials are available. For example, water, air, dead and decaying organic matter and living organism. Distribution. Fungi are cosmopolitan in distribution. That is, they can grow in any place where life is possible. Morphology, size and shape. It varies in size and complexity. Ranging from the single cell microscopic yeast to multicellular molds, puffballs and mushrooms. Molds are multicellular and thread-like fungi, whereas yeast are unicellular which has oval or spherical in appearance. Yeast are unicellular, oval or spherical in appearance. Fourth one is thallus. The body or vegetative structure of fungus is called as thallus and the plant body may be unicellular or filamentous in nature. The thallus of the fungi is long and tubular with filamentous branches which is called as hypha, plural is hyphae. The mass of this interwoven hyphae is called as mycelium and this mycelium may be unicellular or multicellular Exceptional case is like yeast are unicellular fungi that do not reproduce. Yeast are unicellular fungi that do not produce hypha. Types of hyphae. The hypha may be aseptate, that is sinusoidal, without septa and containing many nuclei in the hypha, or septate, wherein septa meaning partition. The septate mycelium, wherein septa occurs generally regular interval along the length of the hyphae, and in its cell may contain only one or two or more nuclei. The septa between the cell may have different type of pores. One is micropore, simple pore and dolichopore. Micropore is present in geotrichum. Simple pore is present in most of the Ascomycotina and Deuteromycotina, and dolichopore is present in Basidiomycotina except rust and smut. Next is cell type, wherein they are eukaryotic cell containing membrane-bound cell organelles like nuclei, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, then your endoplasmic reticulum and lysosome. They are non-vascular organism. Next is cell wall. The cell wall is rigid and made up of fungal chitin, and therefore they are non-motile in nature, which is a feature that separates them from animals. Chitin is a nitrogenous material containing polysaccharide. Other component of the fungal cell wall may be cellulose glycogen, cellulose glucan, which is found in lower fungi, that is oomycetes, cellulose chitin, chitin-chitinosin, which is found in zygomycetes, whereas chitin glucan is found in ascomycetes and basidiomycetes. Cytoplasmic membrane. The cell membrane of the fungus has unique sterol and ergosterol. Nutrition. They are saprophyte, parasite or symbiont. They are also chemoheterotrophs, which means they require organic compound for both carbon and energy as source. Fungi are achlorophyllous and are therefore not autotrophic. Digestion. Fungi digest the food first and then ingest it with the help of exoenzyme like hydrolase, lyase, oxidoreductase and transferase. Reproduction. They reproduce by means of spore. One is sexual spore and one is asexual spore. Sexual spores are oospores, zygospore, ascospore, basidiospore, etc. Whereas asexual spores are sporanthiophore, aplanospore, zoospore, conidia, etc. Depending on the species and condition, both sexual and asexual spores may be produced. Fungi exhibit the phenomenon of alteration of generation, and they have both haploid and diploid stages. Now let us study about the types of reproduction, wherein first one is vegetative reproduction. In vegetative reproduction, fragmentation, budding and fission is present. In asexual reproduction, different type of spores are formed. One is zoospore, conidia, oidea, chlamydospore, and the spore may be unicellular or multicellular. So according to the species, there are different type of spores are formed. The asexual state, which is referred as anamorph or mold-like. Types of reproduction. In that, the last part is your sexual reproduction, which has 5 processes. One is gametic copulation, gametangel contact, gametangel copulation, spermatization, somatogamy. Sexual state is referred to as telomorph. Other characteristics. Fungi grow best in acidic environment. All the fungi require water and oxygen and there are no obligate anaerobes. The reserve food material in the fungi is glycogen, fat or lipid globule, and starch. The cells are haploid or dikaryotic or diploid in nature. The diploid phase is ephemeral. Ephemeral meaning short-lived. During mitosis, the nuclear envelope is not dissolved. The optimum temperature of growth for most of the saprophytic fungi is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, while 30 to 37 degrees for parasitic fungi. The unicellular fungi, where entire plant body becomes and converted into reproductive unit, is known as holocarpic, and only one part of the mycelium plant body is converted into reproductive unit, thus they are called as eucarpic fungi. These are the references, web links. Thank you.